Hey y'all, Xavier here, and today I'm gonna be reacting to the relatively new Netflix movie, Do Revenge. So I've heard about it, seen a little bit about it on social media and everything, and it's gotten some good reviews. I posted that I would be watching it, and I got someone saying yeah it's good, so. And that tracks with what I've heard about it. So, um, looking forward to that. Let's see. The description says, a dethroned queen bee at a posh private high school strikes a secret deal with an unassuming new student to exact revenge on each other's enemies. Okay, that sounds a bit like what's the movie name? The movie called Mean Girls. Yeah, kind of Mean Girls like with the new students and everything, and all of that plays in. So that's interesting. Looking forward to how that plays into it. But yeah, so keeping it short. Not a lot to say on. It says here stars Camila Mendes, Maya Hawke, and Austin Abrams. Think of what's Mendes. What have I seen Camila Mendes in? Camila Mendes. Let me see that name. She's there. She's in Riverdale. I never watched that because it just it's ridiculous, basically. What's she been in other than that? Have I seen her in anything? No, I've not seen her in anything else. So I've just seen her face on like social media and people talking about uh Riverdale. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this day's pre-discussion, and let's get into it.
In high school, they say the best measure of success is like the clique you run with or the accolades you receive. But my metric is a little different. You want to know how you can tell when you've really reached the top?
How can you tell?
When someone wants to destroy you.
Okay. Going with kind
You want a
of.
bite of me? Trick question. Everyone wanted a bite of me. I know, so ominous.
Yeah.
Why is she talking in riddles when her life looks perfect?
No.
In this story, nothing is as it seems.
Okay.
She think we don't know Tara paid for this entire party? I bet she only got on that list because she goes to Rose Hill on scholarship.
Sage, you're not trying to diminish the hard work of a fellow woman of color, are you? Cupcake?
Okay. Sassy.
Elliot!
Who summons me?
Tell Allegra to leave.
Allegra, like Allegra Cole from that movie, Will Smith movie.
Special issues. Allegra Cole is a celebrity, which means that when people talk to her, they will ignore you completely. You know, she's classy, so she'll introduce you. When she does, shake hands hard and speak up. Let them know that you're there. Show her you can handle being her escort.
In this moment, I finally felt like I belonged. I spent
Okay.
17 years meticulously curating the perfect life. And now that I had it, no one is going to take it away from me.
Okay, Drea. Big up you. Goal oriented.
I love your little spider hat thing. It's so big. So Allegra and I have been working on this really cool project. Oh my God, no, wait, don't film me, film Allegra. So after telling her about my church's clothing drive, she generously pledged to donate her entire wardrobe to low-income women in need.
Oh, that's so nice of her, Allegra.
The Salvation Army. But everybody give it up for Allegra, right?
Yeah, go Allegra.
Let's all raise our glasses to Drea Torres and to her bright future.
Okay, interesting introduction to this character so far. Everybody's rich except her.
Tonight was really cute and everything, but You know, I think that Teen Vogue video is stupid, right? Like, I'm just trying to get into Yale, and I need all the help I can get.
Yeah, of course.
He is not thinking about that at all.
Bullshit, but you looked very, very hot in that video.
Yeah.
Oh, he's actually paying attention. Oh, my bad.
I love you.
I love you too.
Kiss
He's gonna cheat on her. Guaranteed. I can see it coming. He's gonna cheat on her. Probably with Allegra.
I don't believe that Montana's actually celiac, and I'm not gonna just choose some random restaurant for my birthday dinner just because another restaurant has a better gluten.
Oh, it looks like, what is it again? The movie Clueless.
It's not even 8:30 and Murray is paging me.
He is so possessive.
Ugh, tell me about it. This weekend he called me up and he's all, "Where were you today?" I'm like, "I'm at grandmother's
Dion and
house."
her
"Where do you
boyfriend
think?"
Murray are in this
Live your life,
dramatic
biatch.
relationship.
Yeah, that's what
I'm sorry, am I
the
being paranoid?
outfits
or
are giving
everyone's staring
me
at
the vibe of.
And, like, not in a good way. Drea? What? What? Oh my god. How could you do this to me?
What? I didn't do this. I got hacked.
Come on, bro.
Baby, come on. I would never do this.
Please.
I love you.
Bullshit.
Yeah, very deserved.
Sorry you feel that way.
Oh, Sarah Michelle Gellar.
The way you handled it, that leaves much to be desired.
Nah, I rock with Drea. She did the right thing there.
The headmaster was right. I needed to channel my anger, and that is exactly what I did.
I believe you. And it's the title of the movie.
Speaking in high school is cringe anyway.
Very true. That's not the best time to do it. After. Yeah.
I'm so insecure, I think, that I'll die before I drink. And I'm so caught up in the news of who likes me and who hates you. And I'm so tired that I might quit my job, start a new life.
Dare I say you might finally make some real friends?
Oh, Mama, that's very rude. What about Oscar winner Olivia Colman?
Your pet lizard is not a friend.
I was a Billie Jean King in a sea of Maria Sharapovas, but my pilgrimage wasn't for nothing. My entire life was about to change, and it all started with her. No, not her. Her.
Sorry.
Drea Torres. She doesn't know it yet, but we're about to become besties.
Interesting.
Says that hurt people, but I just don't think that applies to teenage girls. I think sometimes they're just evil.
Okay, yeah, fair. Fair assessment.
She sucks. She's mean in a way I didn't know existed anymore. She's like a bitchosaurus rex.
Bitchosaurus Rex. Wow, okay.
This is insane! I don't even do cocaine! Don't you think I would know if he was doing cocaine?
Sorry.
Just awful.
Drea!
What's up?
You insufferable cunt. I know you did this. She framed me!
Oh, sweetie. Are you listening to yourself right now?
Yeah, you sound coked up.
Are you on drugs right now?
Yeah.
Don't do cocaine! I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know what it looks like! I swear to God, I don't even do fun! This isn't funny!
Take care, hon. We'll miss you. So sad. I really hope she gets the help she needs.
I hope so
Pray for
too.
Erica.
Yeah, she needs the help.
I didn't watch the video, by the way.
Congrats. You're the only one.
Yeah, big deal. Whoopee.
She made me feel so free and confident and safe.
Yeah. Okay.
And before I knew it, I told her that I was queer.
Oh, and she ordered her to everyone?
But I guess I wasn't as safe as I thought because
Yeah.
she told everyone that I tried to hold her down and kiss her.
Oh, wow. Wow. That was even worse than I thought.
Damn.
Thought she just told her, but no, she's just like making her out to be like a predator.
What if me? I don't care. Everybody's fucking gay. She turned me into this predator.
Yeah, exactly.
No one would come near me.
I understand.
She destroyed me.
Yeah, that's rough. That's...
Consequences for her, I assume? Nope.
Yeah, of course.
Actually, it goes to Rose Hill.
Is that Allegra?
Really? Who? It's Carissa Jones.
Oh, okay. Don't know who that is.
Wait, that crunchy granola Leslie? Yeah, I've seen her.
Crunchy granola.
Her own team?
The fuck was that?
Sorry.
Oh my god.
Yo, what the?
It'll really help with the Mac stuff.
I'm fine. I don't even think.
Don't meet with people in the car? Chill?
By medical professionals. It's called a primal scream. It helps you access these parts.
Oh, fuck.
You really had that pen up, huh?
Okay, it's fine when Drea does it, but not Eleanor when you're driving the car. Please.
Yeah. The Greta Thunberg Brigade can be pretty intense. It's all smoke and mirrors. I've seen every single one of them use a plastic straw.
The horror.
I'm Gabby.
Yeah, I could tell.
Kids. Last year they tried to mount a mostly white production of Hamilton. Then Manuel Miranda sent a cease and desist.
Yeah, please. Thank you.
I meant to text you.
Sure you did.
The way last year ended.
A whole summer without texting you.
I just want to say I hope we can move on and just be civil this year. You know, especially now that Tara and I are dating.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, I knew. Yeah.
Good, yeah.
Do you guys know, are the seats assigned or do we just sit anywhere?
Cell phones away.
Okay, I'll just go fuck myself.
That's what they're telling you.
Rose Hill! Thank you!
I feel you. Oh.
Stop. Thank you, though. Thank you. I appreciate you.
What? Weirdos.
It was a violation of my privacy. To be honest, I'm still recovering, but it really made me get in touch with myself, and I realized...
Oh boy. What?
Actually, Drea Torres, could you stand, please? Please?
What's going on there?
The cis hetero men championing female identifying students league. Now it is for all the men at Rose Hill who want to do better.
What?
Be allies. Thank you. I want to be an ally.
Oof. Oh, what is that?
You're absolutely right. They deserve to go down for what they did to us, but we can't go after them ourselves. We should team up and do each other's revenge.
Title.
Oh, you're serious? Absolutely not.
Why?
Because I'm not capable. I can't do revenge. I mean, is do revenge even like correct grammar?
It's literally perfect. With my brains and your blank slate.
Oh boy.
I don't want to make her pay. I want to burn her to the ground.
Whoa.
Intense. Yeah.
We have to fix.
The look.
Oh, I really don't want to.
We have to do
Oh, please don't say it with me.
a makeover. Yay!
Feels so problematic.
It is fun. For girls, our bodies, our choices, our thoughts are all policed by shame. Our weaknesses are their strengths. If they have a lot of sex, they're crushing it. If we do it, we're sluts. If they're angry, they're powerful. But if we show any emotion, we're hysterical! Ladies, and no voices, please.
Point noted.
You are now and forevermore the coolest, most mysterious student at Roseville Country Day. I'm Frankenstein, and you're Frankenstein's bad bitch.
Frankenstein's a bad bitch. Chill.
You ever worry that you're gonna lose yourself?
Oh my god, don't be so dramatic. All I'm asking you to do is disassociate from your body and be someone you're not, so these popular kids will invite you to be in their group.
Are you in therapy?
God, no. Why?
You might need to be, yeah.
Narcissists are too busy thinking about themselves to realize they're being played.
I don't know if that's true, but it sounds true, so I'm gonna believe it.
And you know, for the record, ass kissing's not gonna get you anywhere on this farm. It's honest work. Hey Ross, show Drea the ropes?
Shoe-faced veggie fucker.
Okay. Interesting.
Do you say anything other than cool?
So cool.
Huh. Okay, that will get me intrigued too. I can't lie.
What's that?
That's a greenhouse, clearly. It's where Carissa grows her special crops, flies them in from all over the world.
That's suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
Your swimsuit, floaty. It's gonna be lit.
Oscar winner Olivia Colman is my emotional support bearded dragon. My therapist told me to get a puppy, but I prefer to keep my companions thick-skinned and cold-blooded.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, that's a cool picture. With Jackie Kennedy.
I tried to bring my emotional support lizard, but Drea said no.
Champagne?
Yes.
I like that they're both voicing over their stories here. It's a nice device. It's been used well.
Look who it is.
Are you stalking me?
Yes. And later I was gonna murder you.
Cute. I like your shirt. Did it come with a bag of granola and a matching pair of Tevas?
Oh, wow. No, I didn't realize that you also did the Peace Corps summer program. But I should have guessed it because your vibe is definitely all about helping others.
She hates me.
No, she thinks you just don't actually care about the farm.
'Cause she doesn't.
How could she think that, Russ? I love the farm. Okay, those root veggies are like my children now.
Shit, I ate some of your kids yesterday.
No.
But they were delicious.
Even the carrots?
Every last one of them.
How dare you? Heartbreaking.
Extremely heartbreaking.
So nice seeing you outside the farm. Bye, Drea.
Our chemistry was kind of incredible. Thank God I was sitting on a towel.
What the hell?
I don't know. That's the exciting part of getting to know someone. You're a mystery until you're not. I was gonna hole up in the screening room and catch a Godard flick if you wanna ditch the suckfest. Maybe?
I do.
There's a lot of
But I...
flirtatious energy between them right here.
Suit yourself. Oh, the orgy usually starts around sundown.
Really?
No. Not that fun? Good to know you're down, though. Enjoy the cool kids.
Oh yeah, she definitely wants to get to know her better. Okay, kinda weird. That photo. But it's artistic, so, you know, explore your...
How we're having this party without her.
Your artistic, ideas.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Is he gonna look behind the door?
Eleanor.
And what do you want to be?
The real answer is I don't know. Which is about the worst answer I could give.
Yeah, pretty much.
But it's true. You're right.
There's
We're all
that.
just performing.
Message?
You just be careful. Come on now, baby. You talking to Low Dog. You know I'ma be alright. Shoot. I tried. Never forget, man. But they don't know. Don't show. Just don't care about being a minister South Central while they drink their juice in the hood. That's what it's all about, Trey.
The fuck is he talking about?
You know what? It was actually really fun. They got this hilarious boomerang of me jumping into the pool.
Oh my god, a boomerang of you jumping in the pool? Can I see it?
Sure. Max is cheating on Tara with Allegra. I saw his texts.
The Instagram witch?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Eleanor, this is amazing. Girl, you crushed it. Great work.
2 seconds ago, you threw my phone in the dirt.
Yeah, and now I'm happy with you again. Keep up. Wait, did you get screenshots of the texts?
Not yet.
Mad at you.
Do you really think Carissa's like growing drugs? Because I want to get her, but I don't want to send her to jail.
First of all, Carissa's rich white ass is never going to jail.
Exactly.
I think it's pretty obvious. We put these mushrooms in whatever bougie foodie bullshit Chris is cooking for the senior class ring dinner, dosing the entire class and exposing her for the fraud that she is. Then, while everyone's tripping balls, you steal Max's phone and get us those texts.
That was not obvious.
Exactly. Yeah, really. It was not obvious. What the? Those two guys. What?
No, don't let in the spiders. Oh my god, there are spiders all over your phone. Oh my god. Is the headmaster going to the greenhouse?
I anonymously tipped her off. It's called double assurance, sweetie. Look it up.
Okay, I will look that up. Double assurance. Cool.
Are you on mushrooms?
Baby. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. They both took off the supply.
Your house is like really cozy.
Cozy is just a nice way of saying small.
Yep,
Oh,
it is.
I really didn't mean it like that.
I know, but
Oh my god. He's cheating with half the girls at Rosehill. There are messages here from a girl in every click. Goes back years.
damn.
Sorry.
He was resourceful and effective. Efficient.
Do you think I'll feel better?
Eventually, you will.
What do you mean? I'm just so angry all the time.
Oh. Yeah, you need help, babe. You need help.
I like you, Eleanor. You're just like me.
Is she?
Yeah.
I'm not getting those vibes, but okay, if you guys feel like that. I guess.
I didn't know you were an artist.
Sure, well, you don't tend to ask many people questions about themselves.
Okay, rude,
But true.
but fair.
Exactly. They're gonna kiss.
Been trying to put our heads together to figure out a way to show all of you ladies at the school how much you mean to us. And, more importantly, how much we respect you.
Come on, let's give it up for respecting women!
Yeah, respecting women. Love that.
And,
Oh my god.
what's going on?
You're terrible.
And...
I'm shocked. This is shocking news.
I know, right? I am flabbergasted.
Shocking. I'm shocked.
Cover me now.
Feminist my ass, you know?
Higher. Higher.
It's gonna be okay. Go. Go faster.
I like that face of triumph.
Here's what I heard went down. One of the side pieces blasted us. She found out he wasn't just keeping her a secret. He's banging a girl in every clip.
Guess Max's ally shit was an act. Ben! Man! Hey, rip him up, ladies! Get out of the way!
It's kind of like the scene in Mean Girls, Regina George. That's the energy it's giving me right now.
Honestly, y'all, it's kind of whack to bind yourself to like some old school ideas of what we think relationships should look like. Y'all were young. We're fluid. We should be out there just eating ass, dog.
Okay. Well.
I have a shot with Max! I have a shot with Max!
I have a shot with Max?
I have a shot with Max.
I have a shot with Max. Bitch.
That's what a well-paid strategist does. They earn their money there. Big up them.
I felt violated all over again. There was only one person sadistic enough to send that article. It was clear. Max was hunting me for sport. Yale was the only thing keeping me from going for his throat, but it was open season now. I had nothing holding me back, and I was prepared to burn it all to the ground.
I don't think it was Max that sent the article. It was probably her.
What about Max?
We're gonna kill him.
Serious.
No, I'm not fucking serious.
He kind of gave that energy.
I'm still here for the Eleanor I met on the first day of school. I think she's really something.
I'm sorry, the old Eleanor can't come to the phone right now.
Why?
Because she's dead.
Who was that from? Brittany?
I'm sorry, the old Taylor can't come to the phone right now. Why? Oh, 'cause she's dead.
I really like you.
I want to tell you everything.
I really like you too.
In a shocking twist of events, it turns out everything I thought I hated was exactly what I always wanted. Sure, this started as me infiltrating Max's group to help Drea, but at this moment, I just felt like I was surrounded by my friends, and all it took to get them was me trying to ruin their lives.
Show them what you got. Pose it up. Yeah.
Interesting.
Okay. I can do that.
Fuck.
Oh.
So good. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
I came. Let's go to a party.
That is devious.
Max. Ross.
Okay.
Ooh, such a fun vibe.
Yeah. Exciting.
Oh my god, you're pathetic. Can't you see what he's doing? None of this is real. This party? He's controlling you, dude. Every person in there will drop you the minute you do not serve them anymore.
Are you any different?
Does it look like it's...
Because he leaked that video, Eleanor. He leaked that video.
Are you sure? There's never been any evidence.
Take that back.
No.
Damn. Friendship done.
I mean this from the bottom of my heart. Fuck you, Eleanor.
I can't believe I was wrong. Happy birthday, though. I'll see you around.
Wow, lost your friend and your love interest at the same time. That's rough.
Wait, what? Why would someone do that? Are they worth something?
Worth about $20. Someone was probably messing with you. Got a jealous ex-boyfriend who can fix cars?
Something like that.
Oh wow. Eleanor took her spark plugs to get close to her.
How are you, girl?
Kicked out tennis camp. Yeah. Lost my scholarship to Stanford. Then I developed an actual coke problem.
Oh wow, okay. Sounds fun. Yeah, good for you. Good for you.
I'm really glad that I get to see you, because...
She's gonna attack her?
From the bottom of my heart, I wish you nothing but the worst for the rest of your miserable fucking existence.
Yeah, I felt that coming. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's nice of her, you know? Progress.
Thank you.
Hey. We love a woman who can do both.
So good to see you.
Excellent to see her.
Hang in there, okay?
Yeah. Good luck, Erica.
Sleep with one eye open, bitch.
Erica, please return to craft.
I'm fucking coming!
You definitely need to work on this. You can't harbor this hate all your life.
She told you that I did that. Mm-hmm. That is so weird. First that she told you it was me, and second that you didn't immediately call bullshit.
Why would I call bullshit?
Yeah, exactly. Why would she do that?
You seriously don't remember? Drea, you were the one who started that rumor.
What?
Yeah, Eleanor is Nora Cutler from day camp. Nosy Nora Cutler.
Oh my god, nosy Nora. Yeah, she came out to me, and I...
Oh, calculated. I like this little twist.
You had me destroy Carissa for no reason. And she said you guys actually liked each other.
I did like Carissa.
Now why did you destroy her?
So freaked out when you turned me into a lesbian leper that she jumped back into the closet. When I needed her most, I told you the entire story and you didn't know I was talking about you.
What if I had remembered?
Wouldn't have mattered, would it?
What if?
Exactly, it wouldn't have mattered.
Anything that you had, but you didn't.
No, you don't.
And I knew you wouldn't.
You will continue the plan anyway.
I was worried that you might be stubborn about this, and it got me thinking about your mom. I've recently learned that it's incredibly easy to frame people for having drugs on them.
Oh wow, threatening our mom.
I had no choice. The only reason I put drugs in Carissa's dinner is because I genuinely thought she...
Whoa, Drea, slow down. What are you talking about?
That's what came to me. That was came to my mind. Notwithstanding this accent, that was come to my mind. She didn't tell her. She didn't tell him. I was thinking, wait, that just came to my mind right before he said that. Wait, was that Eleanor in the car? Other car?
Although you are a frigid bitch.
You're a psycho.
Takes one to know one.
no, they both are, yeah.
I hit you with my car.
Ah, I was right.
I needed to give him a reason to. And you know,
Yeah, that was what I was wondering. That's what I was wondering.
more than making other people's tragedies about them.
Yeah, because they wouldn't have just let her back in the group like that. Oh, what a tangled web we weave when at first we endeavor to deceive. I don't know, it's something like that. That's the line is something like that, I think. Yeah, but tangled web hurting everybody.
It's just too late now. The only way out was through.
Just gotta see it through, my boy. See it through.
I looked at them. They was white. But they had some brown spots in them. So I said, what that is? She looked at me. She said, I ain't even gonna cap.
Oh, hell no.
I said, nope.
That's disgusting. Damn, so how'd you get back home? You had the Uber?
What you mean, my boy?
Oh, no.
Got to see it through, my boy.
God damn it.
I had sex with it.
How are you doing? I'm great. Yeah, I'm having a blast.
Oh yeah, definitely. I can see it on your face.
You're free, Drea.
Oh, interesting angle.
Feel free.
Of course you wouldn't.
I feel like I got hit by a car.
Yeah, you did.
Oh wait, I did.
Yeah. Bare knuckle boxing and witchcraft. Okay. Yeah, it fits.
We used to call her Nosy Nora.
Oh my god, yes! Yes! Nosy Nora! Oh.
Fuck, that's Nosy Nora?
Nosy Nora.
Guys, we should. No, we're not laughing. We're not laughing.
Nosy fucking Nora.
God!
Oh man. Nosy fucking Nora.
I got a little job. It's fine, babe. It's all good.
I got a boob job, it's fine. Okay. Whoever that said that.
No, stop it, Drea. Drea, don't! None of this is gonna make us feel better, okay? Look, we can't erase what we did to each other, but I don't want to hurt you anymore. And I don't think you want to hurt me either. The only times I ever felt happy this year
were when you were together as friends.
So I'm sorry, Eleanor, for everything.
Wow. What a heartwarming display of female friendship. I'm cavelling.
Did you just enter doing a slow clap? You cliche piece of shit?
Oh, I'm a piece.
Oh yeah, that was wild.
I put you through enough. I was just gonna let it all go.
Really?
No.
No, not really.
Of course.
Drea, you are a conniving, selfish sociopath who just uses everyone around you to get exactly what you want.
You too?
And so am I.
Oh, okay. I'm glad you recognized that.
So I told you I loved you. I got you to make that video. And then I sent it to the entire school.
Was any of it real?
I don't know, was it? I'm gonna go back to my party now, and I'm gonna do fucking coke off a girl's butthole. Or her belly or something, I don't know. All right, well, bye, Dre.
Bye, Max. I think they had somebody recording that.
It's called double assurance, sweetie. Look it up. We got him.
God damn, do I love you. No, it's okay. I think we might be fucked up soulmates.
Yeah, you are.
Down wouldn't make us feel better, but...
Oh.
It does.
Let's do revenge.
Let's do
revenge.
revenge.
Yeah.
Baby, You looking for this?
Oh my God, baby, thank you so much. Oh my God, I love you so much.
You love me?
Oh my God, yes, I love you so much.
Fuck you, Max. God, we're over.
That was cool. I like this ending. The sisterhood of teenage psychopaths getting revenge on a guy.
Wait, how did you get in?
Shh, don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Ignore that. Small details. Minor. Alright, so that was my watching of Do Revenge, and it was good. Okay, it was good. Alright, I did not see the plot twist coming where... Okay, so, wait, I did see it a little bit. I'm giving myself too little credit. I saw it, I was like, wait, it was not him who sent that article to Yale. It was what her name again? What's her name? Yo, I forget. Eleanor, right? Yeah, there's something in my sense that I was like, Eleanor sent it. I said that in the reaction, but I didn't follow through. And then, but then, so I sensed that. I was like, but I was thinking that as a different angle. I was thinking, Eleanor's thinking, what's her name again? Drea. Drea is too into this revenge thing. She's losing herself. I don't like her anymore. I want to revenge her now too. But no, the whole thing where Drea is that Eleanor that crush on Drea, and so Eleanor is the one who told Drea about her crush, and then Drea is the one who outed Eleanor and also made her out to be a predator. But it fits, because Drea, she was giving off mean girl energy. She really was. When I think back, she really was giving mean girl energy. Oh yeah, that's how the movie started. She was giving mean girl energy. I saw it, but it didn't click to me until just now when I'm doing this review thing. That she was giving mean girl energy all the way through, and so of course that's how she became the lead of the group. Because she was the lead of the group. She was the bad bitch. Because she was the queen bee. She was the Regina George of this group. And yeah, so it all fits. It makes sense. Some of the things are a little outlandish, but whatever. I'm not looking for ultra realism in this. It's realistic, but it's not extremely realistic, and so it doesn't matter, But I really like this movie. It was giving me a lot of good stuff. So it progressed from Eleanor. Drea is the star student on scholarship. She's a queen, popular girl. She's dating the most popular guy. She's friends with Megan. Oh wait, we didn't see Sage and that other girl, Adriana. Did we see them in the rest of the movie? I don't think so. If we did, I didn't notice them. So, okay. They weren't. I really didn't see them. I saw Allegra later. But I don't remember seeing Sage and Adriana. And I made it a point to remember the names. Megan, Elliot, Montana, Tara, and Max, and Drea, and Gabby, and Sage, and Adriana, and Allegra, and Carissa. You know, I made it a point to remember all these names. I might have forgotten somebody right there, but whatever. I made it a point to remember these names. Megan, yeah. I don't know if I said Megan twice, but whatever. It doesn't detract from my pain point because I could recognize the characters from the movie, but I made it a point to remember these names, and some of them didn't matter in the end. So I don't know. Maybe they had a bigger part and it didn't plan out. Whatever. Yeah. So Drea's giving me good energy. She's the bad bitch. She's star student, scholarship, all that. She's hooking up with her boyfriend. It's almost summer, and so he asked for a video calculatedly, and I could tell right there that, oh yeah, this guy is gonna lead the video. I could tell. It was obvious. I felt it. He was gonna lead this video. So he leads the video. She punches him, cause obviously it was him who lit the video. Cause it was immediately, the next day. The next day it was leaked. It's not gonna act that quickly. No. He did it, of course. Drea gets in trouble on probation, and then she's working through the summer. We meet this Eleanor character. Drea exhibits her revenge capability, and she gets Sophie Turner's character put in. She gets accused of doing drugs, and she loses herself, and then later on we see in the movie the Sophie Turner's character hates her, and she has all the rights to do that. But she really should move on. I'm just saying. Whatever. And I'm saying whatever that, but whatever. So Eleanor recites this story to but we see that it was Eleanor who gave Erica, that's the name of Sophie Turner's character, who gave Erica the video, and then Eleanor spread it to everybody else. Alright. And so well done. So Eleanor shows her story. Really doesn't recognize it's her in the story. She also doesn't recognize Nora. So they meet back up at school. There's some awkwardness. They enact their plans to get revenge on Carissa and Max. Things are going well. Drea does a makeover on Eleanor. Eleanor gets in with the group, and the revenge plan on Carissa is enacted. And Carissa, because Eleanor really is, she's a psycho. Because Carissa didn't deserve that. But she was growing drugs at school, so she was kind of asking for it. So not a victim blame. That's not victim blame. She was a drug dealer, and she didn't need to be a drug dealer. Right. So they get the student's eye. They tip off the principal. Carissa gets in trouble, and then they enact their max plan. So they do the thing. They leak his text, but the highly paid strategist turns it around, and Max is still safe. So well done him and his team of well-paid PR people. And this whole thing, Drea gets deeply into it. She starts dealing with Russ. She gets more unhinged. Right, so eventually Drea figures out that Eleanor is the one who did it. She goes to visit Carissa at the camp and whatever. Carissa at some rehab place, and the whole thing unravels. Tables turn. eventually leads to Max getting out there. Bing bang boom. So, you know, the plot, the twists and everything, all that turned in. I really liked it. The humor was on point. Story was on point. The acting was brilliant. No, okay, it wasn't brilliant, but it was well done. Yeah. Okay, so I really like this. Well done movie. It hit everything it was going for. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but for what it was trying to achieve, it did this job excellently, and I can't give it enough praise. So well done, the filmmakers. Do Revenge. It's a hit. Really liked it. Feeling all of it. So gotta go. But those are my thoughts, and goodbye.